Hello students, in this chapter we will be talking about the NCERT solution of the chapter Human Eye. So whatever questions are there in the NCERT, those problem solving questions only I will be discussing. Let us do it. So if you go to page number 190 of NCERT book, you will find a question box. There are few questions. The first question is, what is the power of accommodation? This is a direct question where you have to write down the theory. There is a conceptual question just below that. That is question number 2. It says that a person with myopic eye cannot see objects beyond 1.2 meter distinctly. It cannot see after 1.2 meter from his eye. The person is suffering from myopia. What should be the type of corrective lens used to restore proper vision? Which lens we will be using to so that the person with myopic eye can see it properly? The lens which we will be using is this one. Now guess, tell me which lens is this? This is a concave lens. So in order to correct the myopic eye, we need concave lens. Just below that, there is one more question, that is question number 3. What is the far point and near point of a normal human eye? The near point is least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeter, and the far point can be infinity. It can be anywhere. It can be a maximum distance, right? There is one more question just below that. That is question number 4. It says that a student has difficulty reading the blackboard while sitting in the last row. A student is sitting in the last row and he is or she is looking at the blackboard but not able to see it properly. What could be the defect the child is suffering from? How it can be corrected? So the person who cannot see far objects clearly, the person is suffering from myopia, and it can be corrected using, just now we have seen that it can be corrected using concave lens, right? This is the right answer for the questions. Now let us move to the next question. You will find this type of question in page number 190 of NCERT. So the next problem solving question you will see in the exercise questions. If you go to question number 5 of exercise question, you will see that there is a question saying that a person needs a lens of power minus 5.5 diopter. Power is given is to be minus 5.5 diopter. Okay, for correcting his distant vision. For correcting the near vision, he needs a lens of power. This is for distance, and for near it's plus 1.5 diopter. Okay. Now, what is the focal length of the lens required for correcting distant vision and near vision? So there are two questions, one for distant vision focal length you have to find out, one for near vision. So we know power is equals to 1 by f. So for this one it will be minus 1 by 5.5, right? So it will be, if I multiply with 10, it will be 10 divided by 55. So 2 times 11 times. So 2 divided by 11 will be how much? Just check on this one. So it will be 0.211190, that is 0.18. So minus 0.18 meter will be the focal length of seeing the object at the distance. Which type of lens you will be using? Minus means concave lens, and this is plus. So focal length will be 1 by Pn, which will be 1 by 1.5. So it will be 10 by 15, 2 by 3. So 0.66 meter will be the focal length of this answer. This is how you can find out for both of them. Now let us move to the next question, that is question number 6 of NCERT questions, exercise question. In question number 6, you will see that it is saying that the far point of a myopic person is 80 centimeter. Means the image distance is given to be minus 80 centimeter. okay, in front of the eye. What is the nature and power of the lens required to correct the problem? We need to calculate the power. So your object distance will come from where? From infinity. So which formula you will use? 1 by v minus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. So it will be 1 by minus 80. It will be minus of minus infinity will be equals to 1 by f. Anything divided by infinity, not anything, infinity divided by infinity is 1, but a number divided by infinity is 0. Infinity is a very big number. So 1 by f is equals to minus 1 by 80. So f will be your minus 80 centimeter. So once you know f, you can calculate the power. Power will be equals to 1 by f, that is 1 by minus 80, right? So your answer will come out to be how much? You just need to calculate it. Since 80 is in centimeter and power comes in diopter, so centimeter has to be converted into meter. So it will be 80 divided by 100. So it will be minus 100 divided by 80. So the right answer is 1.25 diopter, minus 1.25 diopter. Minus sign indicates that the power of the lens is which lens? For which lens? Concave lens. Now let us move to the next question, that is question number 7. Make a diagram to show how hypermetropic eye is corrected. Okay. Now the near point of the hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. What is the power of the lens required to correct the defect? Assume that the near point of the normal eye is 25 centimeter. So the hypermetropic eye can be corrected using convex lens. The near point eye is given. So like exactly the way I have done the last question, you have to solve it in that way. So I left this question to you. So you have seen all the problem solving questions are being done in details out here for human eye. Please see the chapter very nicely. The video shoots are there. All the videos you have to check and then go for the NCERT solutions. It will help you. Thank you and keep practicing.